Hi, this is Ernie. I'm that guy who had $6 in his checking account to now having millions of dollars. This morning, I still sound a little nasal. This morning, I woke up to an amazing news. And what was that amazing news? There's a company called QBTS. The real name is D-Wave Quantum Inc. They do quantum computer. And you might be thinking, why would you even invest in a company like this when Jensen Huang and a bunch of other people are saying that it's like 5-10 years away? Because I want to get in early, and it will enable me to accumulate as much as possible before it takes off. So what was the good news? So they didn't make any money. They really didn't sell much, but Wall Street was expecting in this quarter for them to lose 4 cents per share on revenue of $10.5 million. But instead, they reported 2 cents loss per share and $15 million in revenue. You might be thinking, well, 15 million, that's like peanuts compared to what other companies are doing. It is, but this is how you get in early with a quantum leader so that by the time, because if you wait 2-3 years down the road, this might already be too expensive. It might be $40, $50, or even $100, who knows? So I am looking at the future, maybe 3, 4, 5 years down the road and say, is it worth for me to get into this particular stock or this particular sector and start investing? And I'm not even using my own money. I am selling put options. And for those who are not familiar with options, it is when I sell put options, it means when the price goes lower, I am required to buy. I'm obligated to buy. So I've been doing that, and it has fallen a little bit, but I keep rolling my options. And I just have been accumulating tons and tons of shares. And now it's up 37.76% to $9.48. And I think, it will come up and down. And this is, I think the short interest is about 17%. So there might be a short squeeze on top of this too. On top of this, another beauty, SOXL, up 6% today, because President Trump said he might eliminate the chip export regulation that we have in place so that NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and a bunch of other companies will benefit. So it's up 6.6%, $14.10. So my LLC that I started, I think it's about 10 days ago, with $250,000, it's now worth close to $278,000. And if the options all expire, I think this is going to be close to $280,000. So amazing news, a lot of activities happening, and Wolf is due next. I'm excited what they will report. It might not be as rosy, given that they are relying heavily on CHIPS Act money. But I think, down the road, I think they're going to do extremely well. So I've been accumulating. I don't even know how many shares I have. Like, I've been just selling put options every single week and using that money to buy it. So going back to QBTS, yes. Oh, now it's even more. 38.32%. Just a lot of positive news today. And this is what you will see in 1 year. It just didn't really do much until 2025. And then it just took off, came down, took off, came down. And if this pattern continues to work, it will pop again, and then it will come back down again if this pattern continues to go. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And this is my LLC. Starting with $250,000 about 10 days ago, and now it's 278. SOXL, sorry, with all that sniffling. Trading 14.12. I have calls at 14, so I might have to let it get exercised. I need to look at the charts and technicals, but I might let it roll, let it get exercised, or I might roll, depending on how much money I think I'm going to be able to get. And then put option. So this is what I typically do to generate more money. It's cash secure put. And this one is going to be worthless. Right now, it's not even 3 cents. And the money that I got is about this much money, which I used to buy it. I think it was like $1,400 or $1,500. I will give you other updates tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully we're not going to go watch a movie and I make the same mistake that I made, but we'll see. But yeah, it's been exciting, and with another one first trade deal with UK, I think the stock will continue to march. So we'll see how things go. But I'm very happy how well I'm doing with actually all my holdings at the moment. And on top of that, Bitcoin hit $100,000, so my Mara just keep going up. Although I was able to buy a lot more shares using cover call strategy and put options. Yeah, I was able to accumulate, I think, close to like 2,300 more shares. So we'll see how things go, and hopefully good news will continue to come. I think they're expecting South Korea to make a trade deal, so I think it's going to go up. Japan is going to make another one, and Taiwan is going to make one other one, and I think Vietnam is going to be a big deal for the stock market. Hopefully this is a useful update, and I will see you guys soon.